So about 2 years to the date, I purchased this right here. This is the original Ronin S Gimbal, and I was actually coming from a glide cam. So for me to get this, I mean, it was everything. This is like literally the only gimbal that I've been using since 2020. I've done numerous projects, events, just, commercial content, corporate content, weddings, you name it. But in this video, it is time to retire this gimbal because I actually finally picked up the new RS3. So in this video, I just really want to do just a quick unboxing of the RS3 here. I know this isn't the first video, I'm not the first person who's posted this on YouTube. It's been out for about 2 to 3 months now, so I'm actually a little late to the party, but I'm glad to finally be able to get that new tech and just, some of the new features that come with this thing. So let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we got. Okay, now I must say, just starting off, this DJI packaging is just flawless here. Gotta love it, gotta love it. We love clean packaging. Now, one thing that I am not happy about is, for some reason, I thought that all variations of the RS3, and this is the regular RS3, by the way, it's not the RS3 Pro. I thought that all the variations of the RS3 came with a case, but apparently it does not. So a little bit disappointed about that, because at least, with the Ronin, we got this, ugly little phone guy here. But hey, I mean, I got plenty of bags and cases around, so let's just go ahead and open this up to see what she looks like here. Okay. Voila, and here we go. The new RS3 is looking wonderful. She smells even better. It smells like a new car. Wow, yeah. So this is the body. I like the fact that the battery can be charged without having to connect it to the gimbal. So, when I ever do buy additional batteries, you don't have to do the whole thing where you gotta have it plugged up and charge or whatever. But so we're gonna put this over here and we're gonna open this up and see what we have in here. Packaging is just phenomenal. And this looks like, or at least it feels like, the tripod foot. Let's see what we have. Yep, this is the tripod feet. So nothing too special here. It actually looks a lot similar. Let me pull this guy right here so he can be a part of the party. So it looks kind of the same, exactly the same as the RS1, I guess I should call it at this point. See what else we got in here. Oh, I hate ripping this stuff open, but okay. A little plate. Okay, the plate is a little bit different. It's little, I don't know what to call it, little stopper. It looks like a, I don't know. I haven't really done any. Normally, I've been looking at reviews of the RS3, but I really never looked at any other unboxing videos, so I never really noticed this little double plate looking thingy here. But hey, I mean, this is the plate for the RS3. Let's put that right there. And this finally looks like it is the battery. Yeah, this is the battery. So a lot smaller than the original Ronin battery. Let's do a comparison. So this is the difference between the two batteries right here. As you can see, big guy on campus, little guy on campus, but new guy on campus, and it can be charged without being plugged up. So that, like I said, is a plus. And wow, I mean, it looks kind of the same, but as you can see, like I said, charge is right there. So very, very good, very good. So we got this final little box here. I assume this is, I don't know what this is. I already took out the plate. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got the focus motor right here. Okay, focus motor. Put that right there. We got the focus motor. We have the charger. So we have 2 chargers. So 2 chargers and the little lens mount here. Actually not gonna open that up, nothing excited about that. This goes on the lens mount, and we have some, it's like some screws. And yeah, that's pretty much all we got. And we have the instructions, of course. So this is my first little unboxing for YouTube. I was just excited to do it because, like I said, I've had this guy right here for about 2 years, and I'm actually gonna put them together side by side so you can see a size comparison with both of them. So like I said, I've had this guy for about 2 years. Now we're rolling with this guy. The size difference is, it's definitely a size difference between the, regular Ronin S and the RS3. It's a little baby guy right here, man. This is actually the successor to the RSC2. So I guess, this is probably more in line with the RS3 Pro. I guess this was like the Pro version at one point because this was the only version that was out. But as far as payload and just the type of setups that I use, I shoot with the A7 IV. Heaviest lens I have is probably the Sigma 24-70. Not really putting a whole lot of crazy setups on top of it, the Ronin. So this is pretty much all I needed. I probably, in hindsight, would have gotten the, I think it's the combo version, had the case. I actually ordered the side handle. I didn't get the DJI side handle. I got the small rig side handle because I kind of heard that was a little bit better, just more quarter threads, feels a little better. So that's gonna be here on Monday. So yeah, man, I'm really excited to take, my content to the next level. New stabilization technology. We got the screen here. And yeah, I'm looking forward to having this be my primary gimbal, going forward with my project. So hope you enjoyed this little quick, just unboxing video of the RS3. Gotta love this auto locking mechanism because, no more like, say if I'm shooting a wedding, going location to location, having to just, throw this in the car because I don't want to mess up the, having to balance it again. So I just throw it in the back seat. It's all doing this and doing that. I can just, boom, auto lock. So yeah, man, if you want to see the gimbal in action, there's plenty other YouTube channels, YouTube videos that have probably better footage than I can do at this time. I don't want to fake it. I'm just opening it. You saw it. So yeah, man, let me know what you think. RS3, do you have it? You have any words of wisdom or recommendations for me? Let me know in the comments below. And until then, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.